It's going down.
Jace is just going down the bad bit now.
You're on the point of no return.
You're dragging Jace a fair bit, Simon.
Let me know when he's getting close to the edge. Stop, stop!
Try to stop there, Simon.
Alright, I've stopped.
Can you reverse up? Yeah, you just dragged me the whole way. Hurry up, because I'm teetering on the edge of flipping over.
The way to come down, mate. Nice work.
I guess you're wondering what I'm doing here. Well, I'm actually replaying the conversations that were had on this radio up until the point of when we were filming the last episode up on the XTRAK. Can you believe that?
Are you disconnected?
Yes, disconnected. Coming down, ready or not. Now I don't want to go up there where young Jess went. Up there, bad.
So this one, the XTRAK 50 Pro and also the XTRAK 80 Pro has this unique little replay function. Now it's just a matter of pressing that.
Yeah, 50 will do.
And you can scroll back through, and this one's got like 80 different settings on it so that you can go back through of what communication was made. Same with this one, it's got a little replay on the front of it. So easy to use. Now, I've been using two-way communication or UHF radios for something like 20 odd years. There's no doubt about it. UHF radios have come a long way, and Uniden, mate, they do lead the pack.